Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady, and today I'm doing a stash countdown. So what that means is I went a bit mad buying kits. When I first got into diamond painting, I was literally a kid in a candy store and I just bought everything. So I got the idea from Lisette Crafts and Tells. I'll put a link to her YouTube channel in the video description below. But she did something quite entertaining called a stash detox, where she attempted to work all the way through her stash without buying any new ones. So she's been going for 18 months at this point, and yeah, she's doing well. But her videos were really inspirational, and I felt that I wanted to do the same thing, mainly because I can no longer reach my bookcase because of my stash being so large, and to try and moderate how much I'm spending and how many I'm buying, because, you know, I've got to be an adult and stop spending so much money. So I'm not going to do it quite as extremely as Lisette did on her channel, but every time I complete 10 kits, I'm allowed to buy 3 more. So hopefully over the time we will gradually decrease the size of the stash, and yet I still get to buy some more every time I've completed some. So at this moment I currently have 60 kits in my stash and 12 that haven't turned up yet. So a total of 72 diamond paintings. So obviously no judgment at all. If you have a bigger stash, that's awesome. If you have a smaller stash, that's awesome. But just for me personally, I feel my stash is too big and taking up too much space. So I thought I'd make this countdown fun by getting you guys to participate with me in my countdown challenge. So I'm going to spin a wheel to decide what category of diamond paintings that we're going to work on, and then you guys get to pick which one I work on. So let us spin the wheel and see what category we get to choose from today. Okay, so we ended up with the fan art category. So that's great fun. I promise I didn't cheat and spin it multiple times. I just did it the once. If you'd like to see me actually do it on camera, we can do that too. But I thought for ease, it would be easier to edit this way. Anyway, so I picked out 3 kits from my stash, which apply to the fan art rule. So we have got option 1, which is Moon by Cherryuki. This is from DIYmoon Shop. I'm just going to throw the canvas up so that you can actually see sort of what it looks like. It's a big one. It's 50, I think, by 72 centimeters in a round. So that's option 1. Moon from Cherryuki and DIYmoon Shop. So with my first DIYmoon Shop kit that I ever worked on, I actually had terrible trouble with the canvas. So I'll be interested to see if this one perhaps works up any better. Right, our second option, which you may have seen right here, Snow White. This is by the artist Julie Filipenko. So I'm not very good at names, but it's this beautiful little Snow White piece, and man, this little deer is going to come out so adorably cute. That's why I bought this one, because I just love that little deer right there. So that's option 2. And then option 3, this was the very first kit I ever purchased. So this is called Lady of the Lake, and it's some Avatar fan art, and it's by the artist Sarah Mustafa. So those are the 3 options that you guys can vote on. So option 1 was Moon by Cherryuki from DIYmoon Shop. Option 2 is One Bite, which is Snow White from Diamond Art Club, and option 3 is Lady of the Lake by Sarah Mustafa, also from Diamond Art Club. So please, in the comments below this video, pick which one you want me to work on, and yeah, then I'll get to it at some point in this month, and you'll see it in the month in review video when it's completed. So yeah, I'm excited for all of them. This one being the very first kit that I ever got, the Lady of the Lake one, I was sort of saving it, but I'm really excited to work on it. This one, I know the deer is super cute, so I'm really excited to work on this one. And this one, I'm excited to see if it works out better than my previous kit from DIYmoon Shop. So, Moon, Snow White, Katara from Avatar. Those are your choices. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As we move on and we start completing kits from my stash, I will fill in the little circles, and if I buy myself more, I will be accountable and I will show you what I bought. So complete 10, buy 3, with a couple of exceptions. The first one being, if anything from Puffy Gator comes up for sale, I must have all of Puffy Gator because I love her artwork. And if anything that's a very cute, adorable fox comes up, I have to buy that too. So those are my 2 exceptions to the 3 rule. But we'll see how it goes. Let's try and work through my stash, and I hope you enjoy this video series with me. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like on your way out. Please check out Lisette Crafts and Tells, video description below for a link to her channel, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye!